Hi, this is Jim Greenwood. On behalf of all of us at Bio, I wanted to take this opportunity to wish you season's greetings and to reflect on the year gone by. I'm so proud to lead an association representing the biotechnology industry. We're an industry of 1.7 million dedicated men and women, an industry that's strengthening local economies, curing disease, and improving and saving lives. We have an incredible story to tell. We hope you will check out the new bio.org. It's one-stop shopping for biotech companies. You can find partners to take your business to the next level and discover incredible savings to help your company grow. This year alone, our member companies saved a remarkable $430 million through the Bio Business Solutions program, and everything from lab equipment to insurance to office supplies. As an industry, we are moving closer than ever before to curing diseases that have bedeviled the human race throughout our history. You could feel that sense of history and excitement at Bio's International Convention this summer. Over 4 days in June, we convened more than 48,000 one-on-one partnering meetings between innovators, investors, and supply chain partners. We actually broke our own Guinness record from the year before, and now we're bringing our partnering system to Asia and to Europe. The appetite for deal-making has never been stronger. Bigger companies are looking for strategic acquisitions. Venture investors are motivated. It's not hard to see why. We've seen the biotech markets bounce back in a big way these last couple of months. Small R&D stage biotechs have been on a tear since October, up 50%. So to our members, thank you for all that you do. To those who aren't members yet, check out bio.org and see how we can help take your company to new heights. The truth is, while the science of biotechnology has never been more promising, the political environment we face here in Washington has never been so threatening. For patients with cystic fibrosis, this year has ended with incredible promise. Vertex Pharmaceuticals, based out of Boston, converted the first ever breakthrough designation from the FDA into an actual breakthrough for the CF community. And now, 90% of U.S. patients with this difficult disease have fresh hope that they will have a brighter tomorrow. Hats off to the entire Vertex family for showing us once again that miracles can happen when biotech companies follow the science, work together, and never give up. Of course, we're all very proud that next April, Vertex will become the first major U.S. biopharmaceutical company to appoint a woman as its chief executive. Congratulations to Reshma Kewal Ramani for this historic achievement. The glass ceiling will soon be broken, and it's a milestone. But we have to work together to build on this progress. To learn more about Bio's efforts to promote diversity and inclusion in our industry, visit rightmixmatters.org. You know, it's been nearly 70 years since Watson and Crick discovered the double helix DNA. It's remarkable to consider how far we've traveled. What's coming out of biotech labs today in terms of genomic breakthroughs is like nothing we've ever seen before. Cell therapy, gene therapy, immunotherapy, precision medicine. We've entered the dawn of a new golden age of medicine. Small labs and emerging biotechs are pushing 3/4 of new medicines through the FDA pipeline. And yet, as I record this message, the House of Representatives is voting along partisan lines to impose government price controls on new biomedical breakthroughs. If enacted, this would mean a great many of our investors would pull out of our industry. Fortunately, Bio has been working overtime to make sure the proposal gets no traction in the Senate. Despite tough words from President Trump about drug prices, so far we've had real success working with the White House to prevent truly damaging policy. Perhaps more importantly, we're still pressing for a deal that would bring down the drug costs that the American people actually care about, their costs at the pharmacy counter. Bio has been championing reforms to the Medicare prescription drug program so our seniors never have to choose between medicine and groceries. We can do that without slashing wholesale costs and killing innovation. In 2020, it's going to take all hands on deck to keep our industry on the right path and to safeguard the future of medicine. We hope you'll be a part of this movement. We're building to press our case with policymakers. Next year, we'll be launching a podcast and a newsletter under the Good Day Bio banner. We'll also be rolling out a new PR campaign to better tell the story of who Bio is. So please sign up for our newsletter and podcast. Follow us on Twitter at @IamBiotech. And click on the inspiring videos we'll be sending your way that will remind you why we do what we do. So thanks again, and from all of us at Bio, have a safe, healthy, and happy holiday season.